Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review of this apple pie like apple pie rolls. It's by Summ. It's basically the ones you can get at Costco. And this was new, and we're going to do a quick taste test. Be careful with eating the caramel sauce because it actually has a lot of stuff in there you shouldn't be using. So, alright. So here is the ingredients if you guys see this. So the caramel sauce has creatinine in there, and it also contains milk. So be very careful with that. So don't eat the sauce. But here's the nutrient panel. You guys want to read that? Pause the video. Okay, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so this is what they look like. Looks kind of neat. Yeah, alright, we're gonna cook it up in the air fryer. I'll be right back. So it's all done here, cooked in the air fryer as you can see. We're gonna take one of these out, and we're gonna do a quick taste test. So it smells really good. You can smell the cinnamon from it. So let's do a quick taste test. You know, I have to admit, it actually tastes pretty good. It reminds me of McDonald's like apple pies when I was like a kid. It's very similar to that, and there's just chunks of apple in there, and it's not overtly too sweet or anything, but the wrapping is much thinner. So actually, it is pretty tasty almost. Makes like almost like a neat little dessert. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.